Welcome to this video on difficult fractions part 2, where we shall be using a Casio FX calculator to calculate fractions. Firstly, make sure your calculator is in the Maths I/O mode, and you achieve this with these keystrokes here. Now, we're going to have a look at difficult division, where we are going to divide the fraction 3 2/5 by 2 1/8. What we're going to do is to recognize that 3 2/5 is equivalent to 3 plus 2/5, and also 2 1/8 is equal to 2 plus 1/8. Now we're going to multiply the 3 by the 5, so we have 3 times 5 divided by 5, and we're going to multiply the 2 by the 8 to give us 2 times 8 over 8. So this way we end up with 15 over 5 plus 2 over 5, 16 over 8 plus 1 over 8. So as we can now add these two, we will get 17/5, and we add these two and we get 17/8. When it comes to division, what we need to do is to invert the second fraction. So the 8 goes on top and the 17 goes underneath. So the calculation then becomes 17/5 multiplied by 18/17. Now the 17ths will cancel out to give us 8/5, which is equivalent to 1 3/5. because 5 will divide into 8 once with a remainder of 3/5. We can verify that on our calculator using the following keystrokes. First, clear the display. 3, shift number fraction 2, cursor down, 5, cursor right, divide by 2, shift number fraction 1, cursor down, 8 equals, and you can see the result is 8/5 as calculated. So when we have shift SD, we have 1 3/5, which is the same as the result that we calculated previously.